What's happening guys, my name is Nazmol. Welcome back, brand new video. In this video I'll show you how to rank your Fiverr gigs. Previous night one of my friends asked me that I am facing some problem. I am a level 2 seller but I don't get any order and messages. Now my gig is now going to down and down. I don't understand what is the problem. Can you please review my profile and help me what is the problem in my gigs? Mainly Fiverr gig rank depends on various factors. Some big factors is meta keywords, meta tag, meta description and total SEO. When you're facing this problem, select some best keyword which is mostly used nowadays. You can use Fiverr search filters and take some best keywords and use them properly in your gig. Remember one thing, that keyword does matter because people just don't hyperlink. They want perfect result, and also that's why they search for this. We should check rankings from time to time. It's also very important to structure your title and gig description to include the keywords chosen for your gig. Also, I believe the more relevant and helpful your description is, the better luck you will have in the search engines. Using the best keywords means using title keywords everyone else is using. Sometimes it helps to have one or two keywords that are not too obvious. For example, you have this gig, I will design professional unique business logo design. That means your keyword is logo. That's a lot of results. When you search more exact keyword such as var logo, then you will get only 150 results. Also I can change, for example, restaurant logo. So we can get result 372 results. When you search, suppose your gig related with real estate. If you want to make real estate logo, so you never use only logo keyword. You can use more exact keyword such real estate logo. Then you will get only 5081 for results. So you should think about who you want to target. Lots of businesses need logos. Schools, bakeries, non-profits, community organizations, individual, religions, political groups, etc. And you should look at your other gigs as well. Anyway, you never know what changes that make to the search algorithm next week too. Perhaps two short and popular keywords are bad choice now, which have been hugely successful before. There are several things that affect gig ranking. Use of better keywords is only one aspect of it. In our Fiverr seller platform, most common question is that how can I find the best keywords for my gig? Only for them, please follow exact keyword for your gigs. I already described it already. Most of the professionals agreed keywords are much important to rank gig. Ultimately, my end suggestion that you can follow some important factors for your gigs. Proper SEO optimizations, uploading a video and optimize your gallery, adding facts, and some other things also affect your gig rank. Fiverr is a dynamic platform, so you may need to update your gig time to time. I hope you will get a success in this video. Just try it and let me know in comment box, is it helpful or not. Thanks, and subscribe my channel for future video.